Hello everyone, this is how to record sounds in Scratch. So, you can delete Scratch Cat to keep him, I'll keep him. Then you can go to the sounds at the upper corner. Then you'll see a pre-made sound which is meow. Then you can go to choose a sound and record. I'll press the record button. Meow meow meow, meow 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 meow. As you can see, I recorded my thing. Meow meow meow, meow 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 meow. So, how can we even use this? Go back to your code tab, go in events, and drag a when green flag clicked. Then go to your sound, then drag start sound recording 1. Meow meow meow, meow 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 meow. Or you can use play sound until done. You want to know what the difference between it is? So, for example, if I want Scratch Cat to move at the same time he's saying it, meow 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 meow. But if I don't want him to say it at the same time, so I'll use a beat until done. Meow 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 meow, and then he moves. So yeah, that's how you record sound in Scratch. See you later.